HubSpot CRM tutorial for beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in HubSpot.com. On the homepage, click the Get Started for Free button to sign in or create an account. Once you reach the dashboard, go to the CRM button on the left side of the screen. Here, you will find several CRM features designed to manage customer relationships. The first is Contacts, where contact records store all the information you need for any person who interacts with your business. To create your own contact, click Create Contact at the top right of the screen and fill in the details. Next is Companies, which stores information about any companies that have interacted with your business. You can make a company record by clicking Create Company at the top right. In Deals, you can track sales progress through stages like appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, presentation scheduled, decision maker identified, and contract sent. Finally, there is Tickets. To create a ticket, click Create Ticket at the top right and fill out the required information.